In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect another wallet to Coinbase so you can pay. All right, so basically what you want to do, you're going to find the extension that your a preferred like crypto site or app has. So let's say you're using something like Xverse. You're going to want to go to the Chrome web store and search up Xverse, and it's going to show you like an extension you can use. You're going to press add to Chrome, add extension, wait for it. Okay, when it downloads, you could either create a new wallet or restore. All right, and you're going to put in all your information. All right, after that, just refresh Coinbase. Okay, once you refresh Coinbase and you logged in, where it says installed, you're going to see it. You're gonna see Xverse. So you're just gonna put it in. You're gonna click on it. Let's say I use Exodus because it's free. Just log in, and yeah, that's basically it. Then you can pay using your wallet. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.